be here in this very beautiful place. And we as a group, and all our group, it's feel some wonderful feeling. And we are very grateful, India, for such nice festival, for such nice people. And India is the best country for me.
You have seen the saints taking a holy dip at Triveni Sangam. It's once in a 144 year that Mahakumbh happens, and we are witnessing. In fact, we are fortunate that we are witnessing this holy dip of sadhu and saints in the Triveni Sangam in the holy river.
Yes, we know about this festival, and that is why we wanted to come here, and that is why we are here, and we wanted to see this, and we are happy that we was be able to see this. So again, we were very grateful for India for such amazing feeling. So I think that all people who was be able to come here very happy.
Thank you so much for giving your time to ANI. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Your name and where you from?
My name is Yelena, and I'm from Kazakhstan, Almaty. So we come to Kumbh Mela because it was our dream, and we're so thankful for India, for country this. I'm thankful for Mahadev that he give me this chance to be here today. It's very nice for me. So namaste for this such amazing как будет праздник? Such amazing Kumbh Mela, yes.
Holiday, such amazing holiday.
No.
Thank you. My name is Yelena. I am from Moscow, Russia.
From Moscow to
Yes.
the land of Prayagraj.
Yes.
How it feels like here?
I am very happy with my friends, with you. So beautiful place, so beautiful holiday. Thank you very much.
Russia is our friend country.
Yes,
from
of course.
the very past. And you are seeing a holy festival of Mahakumbh happening once in 144 years. You are with your group here in Prayagraj. You are enjoying it?
Yes, of course. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your
name and where you from?
I come from Germany. My English is terrible, but here it's so beautiful for vibrations. I love India. It's so good.
What will you say about Mahakumbh?
I can just not understand. I'm so flashed. It's so kindless people here, and it's so many peace.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your name? And
My
how
name
you
is
can-
Valeria. I'm from Moscow.
From Moscow?
Yes.
From Moscow, from our friend country Russia to the
Yes.
holy land of Prayagraj.
Yes.
With your group, how it feels like?
It's amazing. We made a long trip here. We will stay for 2 days, and we appreciate so much for this opportunity to see this amazing festival. Thank you so much.
Скажи, мы долго-долго ехали, переведи. Долго-долго ехали в гости на праздник.
He would like to. It takes for us a long way to come to our father, Lord Shiva.
My
That was-
father.
Yes,
Your
our
father.
father, Lord Shiva.
Hello, my name is Yulia.
Your name?
My name is Yulia. I'm from Moscow, and we're here for the first time in Kumbh Mela, and we're so fascinated by the way it is arranged, the way how many people we see, and how friendly all of them are to us. So thank you very much for having us here. We will definitely never forget this, and we wish the Holy Land of India to prosper and to host as many people as it can. Thank you.
Flock of devotees taking a holy dip. You are You are witnessing a flock of devotees here in the Prayagraj at the Triveni Sangam. Are you gonna take a dip at the holy river in Triveni Sangam?
I have just did that, and we all did. So we're very happy about that. It's very, very nice and safe and beautiful and amazing and full of Holy Spirit.
Thank you so much.
Thank
We
you.
appreciate. Thank you.
Thank you.
नमः पार्वती सनातन धर्म की जय, भारत माता की जय, गंगा मैया की जय, विशालाक्षी माता की। अंतर्म सरस्वती दास, शरीरा यूके है, आत्मन परमात्मन महादेव, भारत माता, सनातन धर्म।
यूके से प्रयागराज की धरती पर और ये महाकुंभ का अवसर है, 144 साल बाद मौका मिल रहा है, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
I didn't understand the question.
It's
You
once
can.
in a 144 year and we are
yes.
we are in
So
fact
blessed.
blessed that
So
we are
blessed.
here to witness out the
100%.
festival of Mahakumbh here.
Yes, yes,
How
yes.
excited you are?
I'm so happy and thankful to be here. That is my Guru Mata's blessing that I've been able to be here. And my friends from Vishalakshi Mata Shakti Peetham, who took me here. I've been in Kashi every day and doing sadhana Ganga Snanam there. And I wasn't so sure even about coming with all so much rush and crowd. But then I also was so blessed to be able to do this bhajans with the Naga sadhus. We were shouting Har Har Mahadev, and I felt very happy and Ananda, and doing the Ganga Snanam, that purification. Such a blessing beyond words. Anandam.
You took a holy dip. You are appreciating Sanatana Dharma. You are celebrating the Hindutva. You are celebrating the Hindutva culture. You are playing religious songs. You are chanting the hymns all together. So how this happened from UK to the Holy Land of Prayagraj?
So, you know, one really beautiful thing that's been explained to me from my Indian friends who've introduced me to this. Sanatan Dharma is actually the original culture of the entire world, the entire planet. And especially the technologies that have made those temples like Stonehenge in UK, or the pyramids in Egypt and Africa, or in the Inca temples in Mexican, the Aztec temples, all those civilizations have risen and fallen. But the science and the technology that's in Kashi city has never fallen. And also my good friend Guru Prasad was explaining that as well, that Kashi will always be there and has always been there. And this is the original place, but you know, even at some point, the whole world was one big landmass. So you see the indigenous practices and even all the so-called religious practices are all different forms of bhakti yoga, and all the tribal practices are all different ways of Sanatan Dharma. They all honor the sun, the moon, the stars, the rivers, the water, the Panchabhut Mahabhutas. So it's actually the original culture. But Bharat Mata and this place is the place that has maintained it and preserved it. Even where it's all been gone to materialism and limiting thinking processes all around the world, this place, India, and the Sanatan Dharma, the Hindu culture, has preserved and maintained that divine culture of honoring also the Shakti, the feminine as well, rather than this more, patriarchal society that doesn't honor the nature. So if you say, oh, God is only somewhere far away, God isn't in water, so okay, let's pollute the water. But if God is in the water, then how can we pollute the water? I think we also, even in India, we need to catch up with that, because many materialistic and westernized ideals are very popular. I feel if it's anything that this life is useful for, it's also to show the value of Sanatan Dharma.
Fabulous elaboration of Sanatan Dharma and Hindutva by you. We are indeed blessed that we are listening to you.
It's anything that's blessed, it's only thanks to my Guru Mata, Shri Guru Mata Vijnanamba Paramamsa Parivrajika, and her Guru Annapurnamba Saita Amritanandanath of Devipuram, of the Shakti Peetham Shri Chakrastanam in Devipuram. Thanks to their blessings, I've also made good friends in Vishalakshi Shakti Peetham. This is Papuji, Guru Prasad, and they've been welcoming me to do the seva there. And also, thanks to them only that I got to come to Mahakumbh. Because I was coming to Kashi, definitely, but I wasn't sure about coming to Mahakumbh with all so much big crowd and all. But I'm so thankful that Mahadev made it possible. Vishwanath Baba made it possible.
Thank you so much for giving your time to ANI. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that. Vivati Pataye Hara Hara Mahadev. Sanatan Dharma ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Ganga Mata ki श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती त्रिपुर सुंदरी देवी की जय। नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव।